integrating WooCommerce and Klaviyo. It's pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can integrate WooCommerce and Klaviyo. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for Zapier. So what is Zapier? Zapier is an application that lets you, automatically generate or integrate two applications. So here you have to click on this, create Zap. But before clicking on create Zap, you have to log into your account. If you don't have any account, you just need to create a quick account. And after that, I'm just click on create Zap, and here I have to click on this trigger. Now in the trigger, I have to search for WooCommerce, and let me just search for WooCommerce, and I'm gonna click on this. As you guys can see, the WooCommerce is added, and in the second, I have to add the Klaviyo. So I'm just gonna search for Klaviyo, and as you guys can see, both of these things are added. Now you just have to select their functionality, whatever you want to do, and you can easily merge them. And they will also want you to log into their account as well. So first you have to log into your WooCommerce, and then you have to log into your Klaviyo account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can integrate WooCommerce and Klaviyo. Hope you guys find this really helpful.